Mirded Mumanyi hasoroboti urasenchire bwekirano kurase wodi yo ya Masimbe County. Ni ya Kisii maiga yomurai wenso musike William Samuel Ruto konyara kubwatokea amalieta ya waziri wano aganiti achigokora emirimo na barabo nikubone Commitee ebunga sirikori yare yachaka ko balingo ya waziri ya bugose maisene goikirania obokorri bwa bugokia saba Kenya gati ya bali bagoikirana busibe ebunga so konyara kuringoliwa ngamo na Musalia Mudavadi oyubono obetekago choro uno omo prime cabinet secretary ase serikali yaye William Samuel Ruto yegana rabakako kolekana ase bunge maiga ya Musalia goikabosio we bunge.
Just coming to the issues at hand, first of all, I just want to say through you that I am honored and privileged to appear before this committee so that we can talk about the kind of people and the kind of vision that is required to be able to make Kenya a better place and to improve on the governance and democratic processes of our country. Mr. Chairman, I will also through this committee extend my appreciation to the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for having seen it fit to nominate me to this position of Prime Cabinet Secretary. Mr. Speaker, we have just come out of an election as a nation, and the country is facing several challenges. So I take this initial appearance as being very critical so that the country can exit from the election mode and start looking at serious service delivery